So I'm out at a site for no air conditioning. I have a couple things going on here. I actually have 2 units in the same space down. As you can see, there's a new roof that just got put down on this site. The roofers just kind of ripped a bunch of our wiring and everything out that was out here and just really messed up a lot of the wiring. And I think they mixed matched where the wiring was ran and everything. But there's a lot of stuff that was going on. Basically, the way I kind of solved it is I was able to get some new Honeywell, these Redlink Thermostats with modules. That's already how one of them was being ran. I ended up hooking up this unit with a new wireless module just to get them up and going and everything like that. So that kind of took care of that unit. And then I went on to the next unit over here, and everything was just wacky with the wiring again. And I also found that the thermostat itself had failed. I had a Honeywell Redlink already down there, and like nothing, I was touching the screen and nothing would work at all on the screen, just all locked up. So I basically got a new thermostat, it's the one I have in my truck, and on this module, I was trying to connect the new one to this module here, and it basically kept telling me it couldn't connect because this was already hooked up to something. And so with the new thermostat, if you have an old thermostat, you can just reset it up to factory default, which obviously I had a new one, so it didn't really matter. It came factory default when I was setting it up. But on this guy, rather than having to replace it, which is not necessary when I'm doing just the thermostat, if you hold in this connect button for about 10 or 15 seconds, it actually clears the memory on this so I can link up a new thermostat to it. So I did that, I held the button in, cleared all the junk going on in it, and then I was able to hook up my new Honeywell Redlink thermostat. It's always nice when you put these in and you're up on a rooftop unit, you can just have it with you when you're testing everything, which is kind of nice. So I always go through all my different settings, you know, heating, cooling, backup heat. This one's a heat pump, so I'll do all 3 though, and the fan on, just to make sure everything's working with the thermostat, which is, it's always nice, like I said, just having it all up here. You can just do it up here on the roof and know what it's doing and not running up and down the ladder to set everything up. But this was super simple. The main thing on this one I just really wanted to show is resetting this module. It's funny because it came up, I don't know, probably about 3 months ago with us techs, and I knew I'd done it years ago, probably like 6-ish or so years ago, but I couldn't remember how to do it. And it's kind of funny that now I finally wanted to put this video together almost for a reminder for myself, just because, so I don't forget if it happens another 5 years until I have to do it again. But yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, I really appreciate it. Thanks again.